Hi friends! Welcome back to Lean on Me, the place where learning is fun, exciting, and absolutely memorable. I am Yakno Benson. Today we're going to be having a fun mathematics class and we're going to be learning about division of numbers. Division of numbers. Alright, I have a short story for you. Chooks and his three friends went for a birthday party. And at the party, they had lots of fun. I mean, they were dancing and having all the fun they could have in the world. At the end of the party, Chooks was given 20 cookies. He was given 20 cookies. But guess what? His friends didn't have any. His friends had none. And that made Chooks really sad. You know? And he sat back and thought, so what can I do to make my friends happy too? I have 20 and my friends have none. So he thought of sharing his cookies with his friends. So he called them all and he shared the cookies to them. So he shared the cookies one after the other, including himself. So himself and his three friends, that made 4. So he had 20 cookies to share to 4. So he gave 1, 2, 3, and then to himself. 1, 2, 3 to himself till he finished sharing the 20. At the end, Chooks had 5 cookies and his 3 friends too had 5 cookies, and that made 20. Guess what? That made everyone happy. Chooks and his 3 friends were so happy at the end. Okay, that story tells us about division of numbers. Division of numbers. Division simply is sharing equally into groups. Sharing equally into groups. Now, the symbol of division is a sharing sign. Like you're seeing there, sometimes when you're working with your laptop or your mobile devices, you're going to see a slash. All right. Now in mathematics, we have different ways of dividing numbers. First, you can divide by sharing equally. You can also divide by grouping them into multiples. You can divide by repeated subtraction. You can divide by using your times table. And finally, you can divide by using your long and short division method. In today's lesson, I am going to be teaching you how to divide by sharing equally. In our subsequent videos, I will teach you how to divide in the other ways. But for today, let's take the easiest, simplest, and fun method of dividing, which is sharing into groups. Alright, so let's take our first example. Our first example is 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 means share 12 things to 3 people. Or let's say, share 12 objects. Let's be specific. Share 12 oranges to 3 friends. Share 12 oranges to 3 friends. Alright, so we have 3 friends and let's share the 12 oranges to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, so let's see what each of them have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second person, 1, 2, 3, 4. The third person, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 12 divided by 3 is 4. Wow. Now let's take the second example. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 simply means share 10 into 2 groups or share 10 things to 2 people. Or let's be specific, share 10 oranges to 2 friends. 10 oranges to 2 friends. Now these are our 2 friends and let's share. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count what each of them have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Amazing. Now, I have a quick activity for you. Yes, I usually have a quick activity for you. It's very simple. Imagine having 15 biscuits and you have to share to your 5 friends. 15 biscuits to your 5 friends. So that means 15 divided by 5. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Do it by yourself in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know your answer is 3. And I'm so proud of you because you're so intelligent. So 15 divided by 5 gives 3. That was an amazing class. I know you had a fun class learning about division today. And in a subsequent video, we're going to be learning how to divide in the other ways. And I'm sure you do not want to miss that class. See you in our next video. Remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Bye!